In the annals of military history, few conflicts evoke as much intrigue and fascination as the Vietnam War. But amidst the chaos and devastation, there lies a lesser-known aspect of combat that defies belief. Welcome to our journey into the heart of Vietnam, where soldiers faced not only the wrath of enemy fire, but also the harrowing reality of hand-to-hand combat. This is the untold story of valor, survival, and the primal instincts that emerged on the battlefield. As the conflict raged on, soldiers found themselves thrust into close-quarters combat, unlike anything they had ever imagined. In the dense jungles and swamps of Vietnam, survival often depended on one's ability to confront the enemy face-to-face. In the crucible of combat, soldiers devised ingenious tactics to gain the upper hand in hand-to-hand encounters. From improvised weapons to martial arts techniques learned on the fly, every moment was a test of wit, strength, and courage. As the dust settled and the echoes of battle faded away, the legacy of Vietnam's hand-to-hand combat lived on in the hearts and minds of those who had borne witness to its brutality. It serves as a stark reminder of the human cost of war and the resilience of the human spirit. And so, as we reflect on this untold chapter of history, let us honor the bravery and sacrifice of those who face the horrors of combat with unwavering resolve. For in the crucible of conflict, the true measure of humanity is revealed. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, kindly comment so that I can make more videos just like this one. I will see you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, kindly comment so that I can make more videos just like this one. I will see you in my next video. Share your thoughts on Vietnam combat, hand-to-hand combat, and subscribe for more content on military history.